This is my Christmas present to you, my viewers. Thank you for 347 subscribers. Merry Christmas, and enjoy the video. Everything's on fire, everything's on fire, go, go, go. Yo, oh, okay, bye. Ow. Nah, I can't, dude. Sorry. Nah, dude, you're on your own. Oh.
Sir, the captain needs you on the bridge ASAP. You better follow me.
Yeah, thanks, dude.
I was never trained for
You were never trained for this, you're a Marine, dude.
this. Over here.
Just watch out. Oh god. This is insane. Okay. Just got yeeted across the room. Oh, thanks, Chips.
Captain Keyes is waiting for us, sir.
Thanks for the assist, Chips. Captain Keyes, I've come to collect your pistol.
Captain Keyes.
Yo, you have the gun for me, bro?
Good to see you, Master Chief. Things aren't going well. Cortana did her best, but we never really had a chance.
A dozen Covenant superior battleships against a single Halcyon-class cruiser. With those odds, I'm content with 3, make that 4 kills.
Alright.
Report!
It must have been one of their boarding parties. I'd guess an antimatter charge.
Ma'am, fire control for the main cannon is offline.
Captain, the cannon was my last offensive option.
All right, then. I'm initiating Cold Protocol Article 2. We're abandoning the Autumn. That means you too, Cortana.
While you do what? Go down with the ship?
In a manner of speaking. The object we found, I'm gonna
Oh,
try
yeah,
and
oh,
land it
okay,
on
yeah,
the
he's smoking
With all due
right now.
respect, sir, this war has enough dead heroes.
I mean, he's already
I
dead.
appreciate your concern, Cortana, but it's not up to me. Protocol is clear. Destruction or capture of a shipboard AI is absolutely unacceptable, and that means you're leaving ship. Lock in a selection of emergency landing zones, upload them to my neural lace, and then sort yourself for a heart transfer.
Aye, aye, sir.
Which is where you come in, Chief.
Very
Get
well.
Cortana off this ship. Keep her safe from the enemy. If they capture her, they'll learn everything. Force deployment, weapons research, Earth.
I understand.
The Autumn will continue evasive maneuvers until you initiate a landing sequence. Not that you'll listen, but I'd suggest letting my subroutines handle the final approach.
Excellent
robot.
work, Cortana. Thank you. Are you ready?
Yank me.
Can I just get my gun now? Also, what did she say? That ship is giant.
Good luck, Master Chief.
Don't really know how I'm gonna fit this on my head.
Hmm.
Oh, I did.
Your architecture isn't much different from the Autumn's.
Don't get any funny ideas.
What he said.
I don't keep it loaded, son. You'll have to find ammo as you go.
Sir? Oh, fine. Okay. Now if I remember. Okay, this is on the hardest difficulty. I guess Brunch still are killed the same way. I have my... No. Okay.
Those Marines could use some help, Chief. Do what you do best.
Okay then. Good lord. Okay, I need to get a reason behind the fire.
Keep your head down. There's 2 of us in here now, remember?
Good lord, sorry. Oh, that took so much of my ammo away. What the hell?
Yeah, man.
Johnson, look out! Why wasn't he die? Why won't he die?
Hey! Oh, this is it.
Okay, I need to find Okay, okay. We're gonna need... What?
Here now, remember?
Well aware. Ah. the majority of my ammo. Ah.
Damn! Let's go! Lock and load. We got some fun.
Yes, sir.
I got you covered.
Ow, 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 ow. Okay, we got it. We're fine. We're in a hiding spot. Okay, one health. My shields are basically nothing. Wait, are shields down? Are shields down? Oh, okay.
Do best. Keep your head down. There's two of us in here now, remember?
You're just gonna keep saying that, aren't you? Two headshots? Really? Come on. No time for this. Got a video to film, bro. Got to get down. He's been yeeted.
Those Marines could use some help, Chief. Do what you do best.
What, die?
Chief, do
Don't
what you
you
do best.
want more meat?
Keep your head down. There's
That's bad. I'll eat. Haha. It's only the one, boys. The one, I swear it. Ah. No, you don't get to run. You don't get to run, not after all of this. Not after like a bajillion attempts. Ooh. Ah, wait. No. Why are you running? Oh. That was driving me mad. Okay, completely. Oh, that was actually easier than I thought it would be. Alright.
No, you're there.
Okay.
Did something just hit us? Move in. Back to the airlock.
Oh, it's lagging.
Look, a Mark 5.
Good lord, why does that keep happening to people? Why do people just keep spontaneously combusting? Like, oh look, hey Chief, ah! I shouldn't be laughing at that. That's my boy. Oh! Bye. That's on his balls! Oh my god! You're cruel. You're cruel little aliens, aren't you? Threw a grenade right on his ball. Dead. Ah! Wait.
They're using our lifeboat airlocks to attach their boarding craft. We go out and they come in. Clever bastards.
Truly. Come on. It takes nearly as many attempts. Whoa. Why does he have so many shields? Yeah, he's gonna explode.
Taking fire. We could use
Oh,
a
he didn't.
hand.
He didn't. I'm I'm surprised you're the first person that I've seen in this like hallway that has not exploded. Ah! First people. I honestly thought they were just going to spawn here. Ah. We have this thing is like a machine gun. Yeah. Ah. Mash the little man on the noggin. Pop off. Pop off like we don't know nobody. Pop off. And then die. Okay. That was sick. Grenade. Popping off. Pop off. Okay, there's 3 of them. Switch. Switch. Falcon punch. I am losing my marbles. I don't know. Hey, get back here. Spam. After you spam click. Die. Okay. You pop off. A grenade. You throw a grenade again. Explode them. Kill them. Massacre them. Lovely. Reload. Alright. Come on, guys. Oh, I heard an explosion over here, so there must be some. Yeah. Hey, guys! Oh! Alright. Oh. Oh, thanks. I've still not gotten over that 4 murders. Balls. Come on. Ah! Some more grenades. Ah! Got overshield in here. We're gonna need it. Open off. Alright. Let's try this again. No! I don't know why I'm surprised at that. Yeah, that guy. Ew. Come on. Stop. I'm just a little man. Why do I keep trying to punch in the air? Stop. I don't even know what I'm shooting at. Stop it, it hurts ever so much. Wait till he dies. Wait, hold on. Many deaths later. Stop it. Are we finally done? No. Where are you? This is what you get. That's what you get.
Covenant, on the landing above us.
Okay, let's go. Smarter now. I'm smarter. Absolutely no grenades. I'm smarter now. I'm smarter. Maybe not, maybe not, maybe not. Hey, I am smarter. I'm gonna go around. Gentlemen, you don't want me. Apparently they do.
Covenant, on the landing above us.
Gotta find some grenades. You, sir. You're not using them for their corpse. Going through some rough times here. I'm gonna need those grenades, Marine. You need those grenades, Marine. Unlikely. You're going to die. I'm going to die. But they aren't. Knock, smack, get smacked. No. It's over, Marines. They have the high ground. Does anyone have grenades? Anyone at all? Johnson, this is like the third time you've died. Release me. Oh, wonderful. There's more now. Here they come. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Grenade! Yes!
On the landing above us.
I like it. I like it. Okay, I got some grenades. Okay. You sacrifice will not be forgotten. Sophisticated alien dialogue. Okay, I got a single grenade. Hello, bro. Yeet. Explosion. It's rude to point. It's so rude. Stop pointing at me. It's rude. Did it. Oh, thank God. Everyone dead? Okay. Why was that little dude just hopping? There we go. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Oh. Oh, please say there's a checkpoint somewhere around here.
Sierra through Victor. Prepare for evac. All hands. This is the duck.
Oh, please. Please let this be the end of the level.
Hotel borders until
Wait! Wait, no.
The light pods are launching. We should hurry.
Wait, please. Release me from this.
Warning, blast doors closing. The Covenant are destroying the light pods. They really don't want us on that ring. We have to use the ship's maintenance access ways. Follow the nav point. It will lead you to an opening.
When will this level end? Please. Why was there that music drop? Why did you do that music drop? There's no reason to do that music drop. You mind opening that door? Absolutely no reason to do that music drop. Okay, lovely. Eat. Oh no.
Personnel, fall back to tertiary defensive position.
Go. Nope. Stop it. Stay back. So I got pinpoint. I have pinpoint accuracy. It means that you'll... Oh yeah. That's right. Thwart. You shan't thwart me. Okay. Jump. I can spam too. Hold on a second. I don't want a cheeseburger. You guys want anything? Oh, you can't just... You saw me this entire time I could have just gone around the creepy vents. Stop! Stop it with that friggin'... Yes. Right on it. Okay. We did it. We made it past those friggin'... Oh wait.
It looks like the Covenant wanted to catch you.
Maybe they did, but they didn't. Now I can get out of here. Finally. Ah! Aha! Why are you still alive? Why did he live through that? That was an explosion. That's very frustrating.
It looks like the Covenant wanted to catch you napping.
Not the time for jokes right now, Cortana. I'm not in the mood. Sorry, my mouse is kind of well, glitchy. Something scrolling. Ooh, spooky. Yeah, it's like... Burn! Burn! Okay. It's not looking good. I need a new pistol. There we are. Wait, he's just sitting up there. He's chilling. Hello, good sir. Excuse me. Ah! Come on. Ooh, scary. Finally, some music. That's actually good. Not scary. Ah! Ooh. Come on.
The damage to the superstructure is extensive. I don't know how much more abuse the auto can take.
Okay, where is the exit? Where are the escape pods? We're gonna do grenade. Grenade. boys. Freedom. You cannot stop me now. I said it was gonna be a petty boy. Stand right. Get. That's what you get.
The damage to the superstructure is extensive. I don't know how much more abuse the Ottomans take.
And we better get off of here. Tell me a way to get off. This way? I'm bad at this. Whack, whack. Double. Trust me, dude, you don't want to go back. Did I miss someone? You! Killed Chip Stubbo again. Freedom. So close. Oh, oh no. I got so many grenades. I got so many nades, boy. I have infinite nades. You can't escape. You cannot escape death. It's coming for you. Let all them run. Grenade.
One last one. Quick, get aboard before it launches.
Oh, they were here. Yes. Oh. Oh, thank God.
Now would be a
That
very
was
good time to
awful.
leave.
Punch it.
Oh, you are a saint, random pilot. You are a saint.
Make it, officer. I don't want to die out here.
I'm sorry.
Look!
You most likely are. You certainly are. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.